am all done with this wig. I really love how it turned out. As y'all can see, I decided with a side part. Y'all know I am known for my middle parts, but I decided to do something different. I feel like with this pregnancy, my face is getting fatter by the day, if y'all can't tell. But yeah, I just did a side part, and this lace is transparent lace, y'all. Let me just go to the exact details of the wig. I didn't have to do much of nothing to it. Like my part, what y'all see, all I did was add some concealer in it, only because I didn't use a nude stocking cap. I used the black one because I was all out of my nude stocking cap. So I had to use a black one, but I added some concealer in my part, and I didn't even pluck my part, and it's still nice looking. My hair did fluff up a bit when I ran my fingers through it. It's very, very soft. I did not want to add more water to it. I like a more full look. So this side is not as fluffy as this one, but I don't mind that. I like that look. I don't like the super curly look. I feel like my face is too fat for that. But back to this exact wig. I did record bits and pieces of me installing it. I'm not a professional, but I do feel like this is very beginner friendly. Like I said, I didn't have to do much of nothing at all too. I just did a little baby hair in the front, and then in my part I used the Got To Be Freeze spray to get my part into place, and a blow dryer, and that was pretty much it. Y'all bear with me with my breathing. I am 8 months pregnant, so yeah, bear with me. So the exact wig I got was the 8A grade loose deep wave 13x6 transparent lace front human hair wig, and this is the 16-inch. First I wanted the 18-inch, but I get really hot very quick now, now that I'm further along in my pregnancy. So I thought the 16-inch would be a bit better. I am 5'3", and it comes below my boob, stretched out right at my boob, not stretched. So it is a nice length, very soft. Like I said, I had minimum shedding. I did cut a couple pieces up front just to do my baby hairs and everything, but other than that, did not cut much of nothing. It is 150. Density is very light and airy, very light, not heavy at all, but it's full for it to be as light as it is. I really love this hair. Yeah, I was hesitant because they're a new company about how this wig was gonna turn out, but I really like it. Like, this company is very nice. Once again, this is VIVI Baby hair. Don't get it confused with Hair VIVI. It's two different companies. This is VIVI Baby. They are an Amazon company. You can get your wigs through Amazon Prime. 2-day shipping. Just to put that in there. I love getting stuff quick. I hate waiting for stuff in the mail. And yeah, I really like this wig. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell to get all my notifications. Subscribe. I will have this video screenshot on my community tab where you can go comment and talk with me. And I will see you on my next video, which will most likely be my pregnancy update. I'm not sure yet. Y'all may see my pregnancy update first and then this, but y'all will see something. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video.